Hey there folks, today I'm going to be showing you why your toilet will no longer flush properly. Now if your toilet was working well and then all of a sudden you need to hold your handle down a lot longer for it to flush all the way, I'm going to show you how to fix that, and we're going to look down in the hole and show you what the culprit is. Alright, so if we look down in the hole and you see that brown in the jet there, that is actually calcium buildup, and I'm going to show you with a Boroscope camera how clogged it actually is. All right, so as you could see just down in here, that's where all that hard water deposit is. So we're going to try breaking it apart just with this wire here. All right, so the next step is to empty all this water out of our toilet bowl. And to do so, I've gone ahead off camera and shut off our water valve down there. And we're going to flush it. That'll release anything from the tank. Then I'm going to use my wet dry shop vac and empty out the rest of the water here. Then I'm going to add an entire jug of CLR into our bowl here. So we're going to let that sit in the hole there. And I'm going to show you where to dump some into here, into the tank and the overflow. All right, so our overflow is right here. You don't want to pour any of this into the actual tank itself because it can eat away at the rubber seals. So we're going to use just a little piece of hose to get into that overflow. And then I have some paper towel there just in case it spills. Now this will go down into the toilet. All right, so that overflow that we just poured the CLR into will get the backside of the siphon jet that we can't reach from inside this bowl. So other than that, we're just going to wait about an hour until we are going to tackle this one more time and see how it fares. After that, we'll probably do this once every 3 months, just dump some CLR into there and make sure the calcium stays away. So we'll be back to show you the end results. All right, so it's actually been about 3 hours that we've waited for the CLR to relax in there. And you can see there's some calcium buildup that's in there that's kind of fallen out. So we're going to go ahead and turn the water back on and we'll see some start to come out of the siphon jet. All right, so now we're just going to give it a flush. If you have a double button flusher, use the solids to get the most water coming out. All right, so you saw the siphon jet had a good jet of water. So this is a fix if you have a weak jet of water there. So you saw it was quite powerful. If yours is weak, give this a shot. We're going to flush it one more time just to show you. So that is a nice powerful stream. So we're going to get the Boroscope camera in it one more time. You can actually see a couple more pieces of calcium floating. So we'll flush it a couple more times off camera, but that's a good sign, means everything is coming off. So let's get the Boroscope camera in there and see what it looks like on the inside. All right, so that's all there is to it, folks. Hopefully you found this helpful. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.